What is up, YouTube? It is me, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Lamborghini sound using a can. I made this with a Red Bull can, and it's good. It's like better to have like these tall cans than these little cans, but the little cans probably still work. I haven't tried it with the little can, only these big ones, but yeah, mine is cut all over, but this is what it usually sounds like. That's what it usually sounds like. So you can do this at home with really any can. Don't worry, I did not drink this beer. My uncle did, and I washed the whole can out and with soap and water, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So right now you're gonna hold it and like make it like this. Hopefully this works, but I don't want it too flat. I want it like maybe that big. And then you just want to make sure that it's creased good. You really kind of want to hold it from here, but you can hold it from here, but it's just like on the bottom. It's better because your hands like mess up the vibration, but hopefully this works. I have never tried this with a small can, only the big cans. So works the same. Okay, comment down below which one do you think works better. That one, so comment the Red Bull or the Rolling Rock. You ready? I lost my breath there. Okay, stop it, Andrew. Yeah, you can make these at home, but I would recommend my older cousin is behind the camera right now. She's recording me, and I would recommend adult or like someone that's at least 13 or older to be with you, because you know cans are dangerous if you cut them and then you cut yourself. Obviously, it can hurt you really bad. Anyway, yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today. I was just going to show you guys how to make these. And please subscribe to me. I don't make a lot of videos, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to make a lot more. Bye.